Hi, my name is Andrew Powell, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate the remote control car that I created. Let's first turn on the remote control car. As you can see on the computer, I created this small program that allows us to control the car. Using these buttons here, I can either tell the car to turn left, right, or move forward or move backward. Additionally, I can also use the arrow keys on the keyboard. That's forward, there's backwards, you can turn left, right, forward, backwards, move while turning, and yeah, that's pretty much it. That concludes this demonstration video.